front of me is Samsung Galaxy A37 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen. What you need to do is select an app you wanna use in split screen view and launch it in the background. Then tap on this icon of it at the top and wait for this pop-up. From it, select Open in split screen view. And then after a few seconds, tap on the second app you wanna use, like Chrome. As you can see now, I can use both at once. To go back from this view, you can either close both apps in the background like you would any other app. You can also hold those three dots in the middle, and thanks to them, either resize your apps, or by dragging one all the way up or all the way down. You can close one of them and then close the second one by tapping on Home button. The same three dots though can be also used for something really cool. When you click on them, you can swap places of your apps, or my favorite feature, if you often use two apps in split screen configuration, you can tap on this star and tap on Add App Pair to Home Screen or Apps Edge Panel. Then when you close split screen and look on your home screen, you will find this type of shortcut. Every time you will click on it, your apps will be automatically opened in split screen view. To delete it, just hold it and tap on Remove. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!